What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. So, if it wasn't obvious at this point, we have started to lay the vinyl wrap down on the E36 M3 front bumper. If you've kept up with the last couple of videos, you know that I've been prepping this thing and repairing some problem areas, getting it ready for vinyl wrap. And within that time frame, I did order what I think is the remaining amount needed to fully wrap the car. And so what we're going to focus on doing today is finishing up the front bumper. Unfortunately, I'm not a professional when it comes to laying vinyl wrap, so it takes me quite a bit of time to get it looking as clean as I want it to, maybe compared to some other people. And so this video will be just finishing up the front bumper, getting it installed back on the car, and kind of stepping back and giving you guys and myself a kind of just visual look and a rough idea of what the car is going to look like once it's fully wrapped. Not only that, but the thought process behind these vinyl wrap videos and the ones coming in the future is that this will kind of be the in-between videos while I'm ordering parts and waiting for parts and installing parts regarding the maintenance items on this car. I spent quite a bit of time last night curating a pretty long list of maintenance items that I plan to purchase for this car. Pretty much anything from radiators to fluids to gaskets to O-rings to spark plugs, just anything in between, anything I could think of that I think the car needs to be mechanically sound to take me 4 hours to the track, beat on it all day, and then 4 hours home. And so I've started curating that list. Like I said, I will start ordering those parts very soon, but in the meantime, we're going to try to chip away at making this car at least look decent. As it stands, you guys are familiar, the car looks pretty rough, and I am sick of seeing it that way. So enough talking, we're gonna get back to finishing up this front bumper. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's gonna be a pretty laid back video. Hopefully it's pretty vibey, and yeah, sick of talking, here we go. Alright, so in typical fashion here on the channel, this project took me significantly more time than I had originally planned. As you can tell, I'm in a different outfit. It is a different day. I actually finished up pretty late last night, and I shot some B-roll clips with the bumper just kind of mounted onto the car here in the garage with the garage lighting, and I filmed the whole outro and everything, but I didn't finish for so late that I didn't get around to actually throwing the video together, and I figured with the extra day, I'll put the bumper on legitimately, I'll put the front splitter on, and I will go out and get cool B-roll clips during golden hour, which is what I was able to do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed those. Speaking on the front bumper being wrapped, I am really stoked with the way it came out. I mentioned earlier in the video that I'm not a professional by any means when it comes to vinyl wrapping anything, and it's pretty reflective if you were looking at the front bumper from really close. Hopefully you aren't able to catch any of it in any of the B-roll clips, but I did mess up in a couple of areas and had to just add some little pieces here and there. It's not perfect, but the car is destined for the track. It's going to get used, it's going to get abused, and I'm not particularly worried with how it looks, especially considering how it looks right now and prior to wrapping the front bumper. So I think anything is better than how it currently is. And so yeah, let me know what you guys think. I went with satin white. I'm a fan of the satin colors. Gloss, I don't think I have the skill to be able to lay gloss vinyl wrap down. That's why I didn't go with that. And then matte, I think, is just a little too matte, you know what I mean? I think satin is the perfect in-between. And so anyways, I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I tried not to talk too much. I just kind of wanted to focus on getting it done and filming the process for you guys. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. Definitely subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Please like this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.